Developments from the Department of Health officially reversing two COVID-19 vaccination requirements impacting both children and adults across the city. Let's send it out to News 12's Jericho Tran now with what exactly this means for the city. Jericho.
Well, Dan, just hours ago, the Department of Health officially voted to remove the COVID-19 requirements for high-risk extracurricular activities in schools and private sector employees. Now, we first told you about this weeks ago when that commissioner's order was announced, but this vote really just solidifies that decision. So here's what you need to know about this. Children participating in activities like cheerleading, dancing, and other sports teams will be allowed to do so without the COVID-19 vaccine. That order was first put into place at the end of 2021. Health officials offered several reasons for their decision, saying that COVID cases have decreased significantly since July 2022. COVID vaccination rates among 13 to 17-year-olds are high, and they're in accordance with the CDC guidance. Now, as far as private sector employees go, health officials say that so far 99% of adults ages 18 and older have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, and the introduction of the bivalent booster has played a key role in providing extra protection against the virus, with 530,000 of those vaccines distributed right here in our city. Board members for the Department of Health did not voice any protest for either of these decisions. Instead, they commented on how the previous vaccine requirements helped the city.
I think these requirements, in the moment they were initially issued, made a huge difference in pushing forward vaccination rates, from which we are all benefiting today. And I'm grateful that the department made those changes then, and has put us in a much better place.
So they're pretty confident about that decision, and this will all go into effect on November 1st. In Canarsie, Jericho Tran, News 12.
Thank you, Jericho. Happening